Hey, welcome back to the channel. The OpenAI releases voice agents. They introduce the next generation of audio models in APIs. So these are the powerful voice agents, and it's available to most of the developer community. Let's go through the release quickly. Um, let's hear from it.
Registration with the canceled flight, and I'm here to help you get rebooked quickly. I just need a few details from your original reservation.
So it comes into the different the model. If you choose a professional way of like voice agents to communicate,
Good
let's
afternoon, team. Here are the key takeaways from today's budget planning meeting. First, departmental allocations were reviewed. With
Okay, if you wanted to hear a bedtime story,
once upon a time, in a land full of wonders, there lived a kind little fox named Finley.
so this voice agents try to mimic how a kind of like a human kind of like the voices. If you look at that, the error rate is minimized in it here, and it's done with advanced distillation methodology. What does it means? Like the teacher and student way of like capturing the realistic conversational dynamics and replicating those genuine user assistant interactions. So this smaller models gonna be help to deliver excellent conversational quality and responses, and it's done into the reinforcement learning, the RL, the pushing those transcriptions accuracy to the state of art level. So means like smaller models perform better. And let's try to hear from it. So you can start building it if you are a developer community. If you wanted to build a innovative interactive way of like your application or chatbots has to interact it to you, or customer agent wanted to be interact to your customers, you can use that. Let's start building it. Let's hear. Right, so I choose in a chill light one. So if you start playing it.
Whoa, let's get those meetings scheduled, superstar. All right, first up, Monday at 10 a.m., you've got to check in with the team. Go, teamwork. Next, we're locking in Wednesday.
So what it's done, like it's high energy cheerleader that's helping the administrative task. So it has that the bubbly and enthusiastic voice to give a motivation to the people. And let's hear from Noah.
Woohoo, let's get those meetings scheduled, superstar. All right, first up, Monday at 10 a.m., you got to check in with the team. Go, teamwork. Next, we're locking in Wednesday at 2 p.m. for that client.
So we can start playing it, and you can see the code snippet. And once you wanted to use this code snippet, I can start away play with a Python, Java, and one, and you can start building it. It has that platform once. You can build the voice agent, transcribe audio and speech to text. So this agents is gonna have the list of the real-time chart completion, transcription APIs, and speech APIs are been there. So let's start looking at like to try to play into the playground. So what I did it like, hey, tell me a bedtime story, right? All I say is like I change the voice, right? So I started to generating it.
Tell me a bedtime story.
Okay, that's going to help you to take whichever the format you wanted to download it and store. It has a history, and you can start playing with the playground as well. And you can try with the structure outputs with the JSON. So what are the key features? Let's discuss. Uh, the state of art kind of a models with low word error rate across the multiple languages. So this the agent, the voice agent, they're going to give a tough challenges to the other voice agent which has been in the market, and these are the highly customizable ones. It means like you can do customization using your instructions, the kind of a style you want it to be interacted, and you can give the scenario and it start acting to the ones. So that's where like if you see here in the prompt, you can start writing your own prompt, and you can ask like your assistant to react into the such a way. So if you go
Tell
here,
me a bedtime story.
you can give the certain instructions to your voice agent, and it takes that, and it's API calls, which just means like it's built in for noise cancellation and real time API conversations is going to happen. So it's a kind of like a key one, and its pricing, it starts very low. So if you consume GPT-4o mini, it starts into $0.01 per minute. So that's where it's a game changer. Create the real one. I'm trying to play with the API key, and I'm going to show you that. So it's very powerful. The voice agent. I recommend you to start building for your application. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more video content. Thank you.